Welcome to 2120 Kemmerer Street in Bethlehem. This impeccably maintained brick Cape Cod has 4 bedrooms and 1 bath. Let's go check it out. As soon as you enter the home, you'll notice the beautiful hardwood floors that go throughout the first floor. Completing this first floor is a full bathroom. Your kitchen. Two bedrooms, and you can use one of the bedrooms as a dining room since there's 2 more bedrooms upstairs. Speaking of which, let's head upstairs and check out the other bedrooms. Now let's check out the basement. Before we go, let's check out back with your detached 2-car garage and sitting area. And very nice size yard.